My name is Caroline Brennick, and this is a video to show you how to peel your vinyl decal. You're going to start out with getting your sticker, and you're going to want to get a flat card. Probably your ID card would work best for this, and you're just going to flatten the sticker to make sure the vinyl sticks to the transfer paper. If in this clip you see that it doesn't come up, you need to use the card again to make sure it does. Then you're going to find your surface that you want to stick your stickers to. This time I decided paper. You're going to make sure the surface is clean, and you're just going to peel back the sticker, and if it doesn't come up, you need to use the card again. Then you're going to place the peeled sticker onto the surface that you'd like to stick it to. Use your card again to flatten it out, making sure the sticker has no air bubbles in it, so it'll stay. Then you're going to use the card to peel up the transfer paper, and then slowly, making sure nothing comes up, peel the paper back to reveal your sticker.